Chal. Hi. So my name is Zubair, and I am with my teammate Vishal Bharti. So we have introduced a new interaction technique called Tony interactions. So what we are doing, we actually are giving the demos regarding how we can the 3D and 2D objects are very different. So while understanding this complex model, uh, pupils face lot of challenge. So we have draw first 2D and then convert it into 3D and then transfer into a virtual environment. So this is the object which we can look from different angle, different perspectives. So this is the model, this is a complex model actually. There are multiples actually objects. So multiple actually element in this. So in second scene you can look at the second scene itself. So in the second scene, what we are trying to do in the second scene, actually we are exploring this object. So there are more than 100 objects in this scene. So as you can look in the second scene, I will play the second scene itself. So we have introduced this stony interaction techniques. We are just actually doing. So here is the model, we just do this and it just explode. Yeah, by doing this it just explode. So you can look it's in a pass through mode. So there are hundred or more parts which are roaming around me. And so as you can see, some parts are there, I can grab it, look it. This is the display actually. So this is actually the display. So this is different part, this is different part. So if I want to grab that part, I have to do this. This is the body part, so I have to move this part. And I want this, like, what part is this? So I can take a look at this part as well. So in the virtual view there are multiple parts, as you can see. So in the third actually view, what we are trying to do in the third scene, this is just a practice scenes in uh, virtual reality. So third scene, what we are doing, we have created an environment. It's just a basic environment and we are interacting with this environment. We have put certain objects in the on the table actually. So there are glass, mug, laptops, books. So we are picking the object and we are interacting with them. So one, this model actually, this we have imported from the meta itself, the sample scene. So we can do something interesting, like, look. So if we can reset the scene, and this we can do. So here, this is water bottles, this is pen, this is, we can write down with this virtual pen. So this is my mobile phone, and this is, so I can reset. This is the pizza box I can arrange, and this is just a virtual environment to practice. So that's all from my end. Yeah, actually, if you want, like, we have to put a gesture as well. If we say move up to this pizza box, they are moving up. So actually the right now I don't have the mic in the computer. So yeah, we have put the voice gesture as well. So these are different part we can pick from the controller itself, hand itself. So yeah, from hand, from one hand controller, one natural hand control, and then we can do this stuff, right? So actually we can put like this, we can do like this, like, thank you for looking it. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.